Welcome! This video is to instruct the user on how to set up bundled TCode services within the staff and client records. Before we get started, bundled services should be created and entered in the funding source record. If you need assistance with this process, please see the video How to Create and Bundle TCode Services. On the NPAWorks main screen, click on Staff, located on the left. A list of your staff members will be displayed. Select a staff member who will provide the bundled TCode service. Then either double-click or hit Enter to open the staff member's record. On the General tab of the staff record, locate the Services Provide section of the screen. Here, select all applicable newly bundled services that the staff will be providing. Click OK to save your changes and close the staff record. Please note, this process will need to be repeated for each staff member that will be providing the newly bundled services. Now, we will be bundling the TCode services on the client record. To start, click on Clients located on the left of the NPAWorks main screen. From here, select the client's name whose record you wish to edit. Hit Enter or double-click to open the client's record. With the client record open, click on the Services tab. Then, select the Add Service button. In the drop-down, select the bundled service you wish to add. Now, the TCode services will automatically be linked to the bundled service as they were set up in the funding source. The individual services will be displayed below the bundled service. Let's review the Shared Minutes option. If the client's authorization for the bundled service requires that there be a specific number of minutes for the initial or additional TCode service, then do not select the Shared Minutes checkbox. Instead, simply enter the authorized amount of minutes into the corresponding minutes field. The total amount of the initial and additional minutes will be displayed on the bundled service line. If the authorization calls for a single amount of minutes that can be used for the initial or the additional services, then select Shared Minutes. The total authorized and projected minutes can now be entered on the bundled service row. Please note that if the shared minutes have been used and then is unchecked, the previously entered minute values on the bundled TCode services will be reset to 0. Now that the minutes for the bundled service have been entered, you can easily enter any other necessary information on only the bundled service line. Lastly, be sure to save by pressing the Save button in the lower right corner of the window. Click OK to close the client record. If you have any questions about setting up bundled services for staff or clients, then please contact our support team via email at support@codemetro.com or at 877-796-9883.